There's a target on my chest, I need a bulletproof vest. I'm going into battle on my own, and I've got no other choice, else I'm gonna be destroyed in the middle of this firestorm.